The Raider 365 has been out for over half a year now, and we want to thank you guys for the support for this product and this company. Now, we want to continuously support this product, and what we want to do is to let you guys know about an issue that has come to light with the Recoil Lug here. If you have a V2, we want you to swap these screws out for the new ones. And this is only an issue that's affecting some of the V2s, but what happened was we have two of these screws here at the top that were installed incorrectly. They were the wrong screws. We want to fix this as fast as possible. So at the end of this week, we're gonna be sending out a little kit that will have the two proper screws, Loctite, and some instructions on how to get this installed. Here's the guide on how to do that. There's a couple of tips that you need to know first. And first and foremost is this little baggie we're giving you comes with red Loctite, two longer screws and two shorter screws. These shorter screws have a flat head, if you can see here. Whereas in these two longer screws have a rounded head. So they're for different parts of the recoil lug, and I'll explain what those are. When you're removing the old screws, just keep in mind that they are probably set in there pretty good. So you're gonna have to use a high quality bit. You don't wanna strip those out. So what I've done is I've prepped this Raider 365. I've removed the screws, as you can see. I've removed the screws on the sides here, as well as the two in the front right there. Let's start with the side screws. Again, the ones that are going to go in right here, is we're going to apply the red Loctite to these screws. Again, we want to be generous with the red Loctite, as we do intend to wipe some away. It's just better to have more than less, especially with the recoil lug. So here's one. We're going to set that into the side. And we have our torque screwdriver. So for all of these screws, we're going for 20 inch-pounds. That leaves us with these last two front recoil lug screws. These ones with the round head, as you can see there. All four screws have now been replaced with the new ones and Loctited in. As Loctite says, follow their directions. I think it needs about 24 hours to cure before putting any real stress on them. So wipe away any excess Loctite and place that somewhere where you're not going to bother it for about 24 hours.